it's Kim here for Creative Scrapbooker Magazine, and I want to show you a fun technique that you can use with some markers and stencils that you may not have thought about. I'm using this stencil from Magenta, and I'm also going to play with this wonderful collection from Echo Park called Celebrate Winter. It has lots of fabulous chipboard accents and stickers, and let me show you the paper underneath here. There are lots of great patterns here. These are samples of the card that we're going to use, and we're going to learn how to do this background technique. First off, we're going to take a piece of cardstock and apply some gesso. I like to use the Ranger gesso. It's really nice and fluid. For this, we need a very thin layer. Put this over here to dry. And through the magic of video, we have one all ready to go that is dry. This is the stencil we'll use. And then we're going to use some markers from Tombow Arts. I love these dual tip markers, and they act like a watercolor or a marker. So we'll just color some ink onto our pad. I'm going to take a wet baby wipe, and I will add some of the ink onto it, and then just color very gently, move that ink around. And when you lift it off, you have this fabulous little colored background. Very easy technique. What we're going to do next is just add a little bit of color to the edges. Same thing. I will add a little bit of color and dip your finger in a little bit of water and just edge. Put that color on with your finger. You don't have to overthink it. It just creates that nice little edge on there. And once we have this ready, we can add this onto our card base, which is just a piece of Bazzill cardstock. For this, I will use my Tombow permanent adhesive. And then we'll grab our stickers and chipboard pieces and just layer some stickers here for fun. I do like to add some colored thread, and for this I just double it up, wrap it loosely around my finger, mess it into a little ball. And then the back of the sticker, because we're putting it over the thread, it adds a little extra layer in there, so I like to use my Tombow multi-mono glue. I like to overlap my elements so that they all touch, and that kind of creates a connection to them. And then we'll add a little winter die cut, and this also comes from the Echo Park Celebrate Winter collection. It's this one here. It has snowflakes, winter, snuggle, chill, and hot chocolate. They're great winter words, and I've pre-cut one, and what I would do is I would use my mono adhesive and just tack that on up here. What I did as a final touch on my other cards is I took the Tombow FUDENOSUKE, I think it is, pen. I love it, I just can't pronounce it. And I just took this and outlined my elements. see in this card, I outlined the winter there and all of the elements, as well as that one as well. So quickly and with a really fun technique, you can have 3, 4, 5 cards made. And this background technique using the baby wipes and the Tombow markers is an awesome application to also add on to a scrapbook page as an element behind a photo or with some papers. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. Bye.